What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right. So we have a 15-foot pole supported by two guide wires here. That's going to be hammered into the ground. And typically when we set up a pole, we want it to be perpendicular to the ground, right? So that means I have this right here as a right triangle. You just don't see it as a right triangle because it's in an angle. And the same exact right triangle here. It looks weird. I know. I understand that. So essentially what I have now is this right here, right? So what I have is that, that doesn't look straight. All right, so what we have here is that this is 15 feet. And down here is 8 feet. And what I want to know is how long this guide wire is. And there's going to be two of them, right? So, well, what do I really know here? Okay, I guess I need to do it this way and then go like this. There we go, so that we can see the right triangle. So what do we know? Well, we know that the sides have a relationship, and that's the Pythagorean theorem. So we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. All right, so let's put that into play. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so what do we know about A, about B, and about C? Well, what we know is that the C, I should do it that way. C is actually my so-called hypotenuse. Okay, that's my hypotenuse, is my C. So I want to make sure that that stays there, but the other two, the A and the B, are just the legs. So we have 15 squared plus 8 squared is equal to C squared. Okay, so now here's the thing. Your question might be, well, does it matter if these two get switched? And the answer is, it does not matter. It doesn't matter which one goes first, as long as the legs go with the legs and the hypotenuse is on one side by itself. All right, so with that being said, what's 8 squared? 8 squared is 64. 15 squared is 225. And that's equal to C squared. All right, now let me see here. 64 plus 225, so C squared is going to equal to 982. Let's double check. Yep, 289. So now we're going to take the square root of both sides. So C is going to equal to the square root of that answer, and we get 17. Okay, now that is what this is equal to, right? But we have two of them, don't we? We have this one here and we have this one here. So really, the total length of the two wires, so total length of two wires is 34 feet. And there we go. All right, and that is choice, let's see here, D. Well, I hope that answers your question. If there's any other questions, let me know. See ya. Bye.